There are three types of muscle tissue in the human body. There is skeletal muscle, which is the main focus of this module. Skeletal muscle connects to the bones and the cartilages of the skeleton. There's cardiac muscle, which is exclusively found in the heart. And then there's smooth muscle, which is found in the walls of the blood vessels, in addition to the walls of the passageways of the respiratory, urinary, and digestive organs, to name a few. All muscle tissues are excitable, which means that when they are stimulated, they produce electrical changes called action potentials at their plasma membrane. The action potential then spreads like a wave across the cell membrane, and it is the action potential that sets off the events within the muscle cell that will lead to contraction of that muscle cell. All muscle tissues produce movement by contraction or shortening. Protein filaments that are composed primarily of proteins called actin and myosin within the cell generate the tension or the pulling forces when they interact. This requires ATP energy if the proteins are going to continue interacting and generating contractions. Skeletal muscle tissue has a few additional functions. Of course, it produces movement of the skeleton, which includes bones and some of the cartilages. They have ligaments that cross body joints and help reinforce and stabilize those joints. They maintain posture using small frequent contractions to keep the body upright against gravity and body weight. In adult humans, they produce most of the body heat, around 85% or so. The metabolism of ATP energy produces heat, which warms the body and maintains temperature homeostasis. Skeletal muscle also allows conscious control of body functions such as swallowing, voiding the urinary bladder, and defecation. There are bands of skeletal muscles within the digestive and urinary system passageways that permit us to control when these specific functions occur.